Vericom's VW8 Series wall mount cabinets are ideal for small installations where space is limited and requirements for equipment storage are minimal. These compact yet durable cabinets ship flat-packed to minimize freight and are easy to assemble and install.
In this video, we will show you how to assemble a VW8 Series cabinet.
Your VW8 Series wall mount cabinet should come with the following components: 2 side panels, 1 front panel, 2 mounting rails, 1 bottom panel, 1 top panel, 1 back panel, and hardware.
First, use the key to unlock and remove the side panels from both side frames. Use the key to unlock and open the front door, then pull down on the spring hinges to remove the front door from the front frame. Fix the mounting rails to the mounting holes at the top and bottom of the side frames, with 4 sets of M5 screws. The side frames have multiple mounting points for different mounting depths. On the back frame, you will see 2 channels. Install the side frames into the channels of the back frame with 4 M6 screws, making sure that the cage nuts on the side frames are facing out. Take the bottom panel and slide it into the channel on the side frames, pushing it from underneath to get it over the lip of the back frame. Lift the front of the top panel to secure it into place under the lip of the back frame before setting the top panel into place. Install the front frame with 4 M6 screws. Then use the spring hinges to install the front door to the front frame. Take the grounding wire kit and install the ground wire to the front door and front frame. Put the side panels back into place in the side frames. The VW8 wall cabinet can be mounted to a wall in 2 ways. Use the mounting holes at the top of the cabinet to hang it from a wall mount plate, or use the 4 keyholes and bolts to mount it directly to the wall. If you would like more information on Vericom's VW8 Series wall mount cabinets, contact us today.